So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Angel. Welcome to my world. If you're a returning subscriber, what is up? So I noticed that I have not been posting on YouTube. I don't know if anyone cares, but yeah, I've been gone for 2 weeks because I've honestly been down and out. I haven't been myself, and it's just a lot of things. It's not a lot of things, but things are going on with me. So I'm gonna just let you know what was going on. Okay, let me stop. So yeah, there's just some stuff going on with my job and things, and I don't know. I don't like my job. Like, I just feel like I'm not in my purpose at that job. My daytime job or whatever. Right now, it's kind of been my only job because I haven't been doing telemetry. Like, they pretty much asked me if I quit, and I haven't given them an answer. I don't know. I haven't given them an answer because I haven't been there. No one's heard from me. And then I'm kind of just like at my daytime job, just there. The work is easy. My manager is nice. It's just kind of like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, am I in a midlife crisis? Like, that's just how I feel. Like, what am I supposed to be doing with my life right now? Like, I graduated a couple months ago, and, you know, I wanted to go into this field. It still deals with health. It's just like, it's health administration, like public health administration. So I was like, I'm still like in the field that I want to be, but I don't know. The job is just like, And then on top of that, like, I'm dealing with this, you know, my ex, he decides to call me on the phone and drop a bomb on me. And, so yeah, he pretty much tells me he's having a baby. Like, what? And I know you guys are like, but he's your ex. But let me tell y'all, he's my ex. But you know how, like, when you're broken up with someone, but y'all are like working on the situation because you like are planning on getting back together? Well, that's how it was. Like, we're still sending TikToks. He's like in my DMs. Like, we're on the phone talking, but you have like a whole nother girl. And then you impregnated her. And like, it's like, I have a lot of questions, but I'm not gonna ask him because, like, I gotta stand strong. Like, I can't be sad over this nigga no more because, like, you have a family, and I'm not gonna break that up. Like, I'm not gonna be the one that's over here destroying families because I don't want that to happen to me. But it's just kind of like, how long have you known her? What's going on? Like, you have a whole baby? Like, is he a junior? Like, I want to know. Like, and then the whole time he's like, yo, because I've been with this dude for six years. And he's talking about, I've waited 6 years, you know, and you ain't give me no baby. Like, we weren't planning to have a baby. At least I wasn't. I'm like, nigga, I wanted a ring. And he was like, yeah, and you know I want to get married when I'm 50. 50? So we're just on two different, and that was one of the reasons why we broke up. We're just like on two different paths. And then on top of that, like, you know how, like, when you are leveling up and that dude is kind of still where he's at, but he's complacent, like, he likes where he's at, but you're like, no, we need to do this, and he's kind of like, nah. So I guess maybe he found a girl on his level, and I'm just like, okay, all right. I dodged the bullet because, like, I'm not even trying to air this dude out, but it's just kind of like, I don't want to be struggling having a baby. Like, I don't want to have struggle of, like, you know, he had a good job and he lost that job, unfortunately, and like, now he's doing DoorDash, and it's like, you want to have a baby on DoorDash money? Like, and no offense to all the DoorDashers out there, but like, gas prices are high. Like, so you're gonna have to be paying all these gas prices and buy diapers? Like, no ma'am, no sir, I can't do that. So that's what's been going on in my life. I'm just out here, guys. Like, I'm out here in these streets, like, so yeah, I've been down and out, and now I'm telling myself, like, you dodged a bullet, Angel. That was God's grace. Because honestly, there was a lot of red flags in a relationship that I just kept ignoring, but, you know, obviously. But now, like, you know when you don't talk to someone and all the red flags are now flagging, and you're like, bro, how did I miss that? that's what's happening to me now. So yeah, so now I'm just like trying to bounce back. Like, I need to remember who I am. Like, that ain't finna hold me down. So I'm here. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna stop talking now because, oh my gosh, I've been talking for 6 minutes. It's just my little rant. I'm sorry, but yeah, so I gotta go to Walmart. I'm debating, like, should I go to Walmart or Hobby Lobby? I just really don't know at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here and then we're gonna like get into some stuff. So yeah, I need a couple of things. Mounting tape. This better work. Ooh, they have glue sticks. I don't need that right now. Loki only came in here for like 2 things. I need a new key ring because mine is just like, as you see, I kind of really like this, but it don't look. Ooh, I get this one. I don't know. I decided to get this one because it just looks a little more durable. But now I'm just looking at stuff, resale therapy. This, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. Like $18. Ooh, so obviously I'm back home and it's like an hour later. At Walmart, I saw these Keto brownies. So yeah, so I found at Walmart, I found these keto brownies. I'm not doing, so at Walmart, I found these keto brownies. I'm not on keto, I'm not doing it, but I was just thinking, I love brownies, but if I can find something that is healthier and still good, you know, I can rock with it. So it says it has 0 sugar, 3 grams of net carbs, and it's gluten-free. Okay. So it's made different. You use butter instead of oil. Okay. But if it don't have any sugar, what's it gonna taste like? That's the part that I'm maybe I gotta add my own like stevia or something like that. Maybe I have to add that in because okay, well, I guess we're gonna find out together if it's gonna be good. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's a banger. If it's not a banger, then don't buy it. But if it's a banger, I'm gonna let y'all know. Consistency is interesting. It's definitely fudgy. I used the 6 tablespoons of butter, but I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my pan and get it together.
Drop that bitch.
I don't know why I just sprayed the pan like that, like wasting all this oil, like and then I don't know. Don't mind how I sprayed the pan, don't do what I do. Just, I'm about to wipe all this off now because that was just mad aggressive. I don't even know why I did that. I'm just not convinced that it's gonna be good, but I'm really holding my breath. So, yeah. Okay, I think they're done. I don't like how these look, y'all. All right. I'm gonna try one though. Okay, hold on. Kind of burnt on the edges a little bit. Okay. That's what it looks like inside. I'm just cutting it up so y'all can see what's inside because I also want to see what it looks like. Well, let me let it cool down a little bit because it's steaming. Okay, let me try a piece. Just a little piece. Let me try a piece. Okay. I'm trying to get a good piece here. Come on. Hold on. They're not bad. I think they're not overcooked, but like if I would have undercooked it, you know, to get it more fudgier, would have been perfect. Wow. I feel like if you're doing keto, low carb, and you want something sweet, buy these. Definitely worth it. Go ahead and buy them. Because if I was doing keto, I could eat those. I definitely could. They're not bad at all. And they still have like a sweet flavor. Now, is it comparable to regular brownies? They a step under. But get your little ice cream. I'm pretty sure they have keto ice cream. Put it with it. Bada bing, bada boom. Good. I think it's a banger. I'd buy them again. So while I'm eating my brownie, I'm on my second brownie, y'all. I totally forgot I'm getting into gardening because why not? Why not be able to make your own food? But I bought this starter kit from Big Lots. It's supposed to sprout the seeds and help them grow. So let me show y'all that real quick. All right, so I'm trying to do like a little experiment. I got this from Big Lots, $6.50. I'm trying to like get into gardening, you know, trying to be self-sustainable. So these are tomatoes and cucumbers. And so I'm trying to, you know, get these little plants together before summer. So that is what I'm doing. I'll check back in with y'all when I'm getting ready. Oh, let me show you the little seeds. See the little seeds in there? Yeah. Okay, so I got my first seeds in the thing. So this thing, you have to put a half a cup of lukewarm water and let like the grow soil soak it up. And then you just transfer it to the pot and then put the seeds in. This thing is so cool because it has like all the directions. And then it has like the little stakes. You just gotta cut them out. So yeah, at this point, just call me Farmer Angel because like I'm a whole farmer now. Like I'm farming. Like I'm self-sustaining at this point. All right, I'm just trying to show you step by step. So like when the thing soaks up the water, because look, it looks like this, it soaks up the water. So now it's like this, and then you gotta like break it up. And then you put your seeds in, and then wada bing, wada boom. Yes, honey. There you go. This is hopefully, I'm gonna like keep you guys updated because like I really want my stuff to grow. Like seriously. Like, and once they start to grow, then I can move them into bigger pots. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so they're all done. I, you know, cut out the little labels. This one I kind of tore, but whatever. Then I cut out in the instructions because it gives you like grow tips. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys are like into gardening or if you like grow your own herbs, whatever, because I'm like trying to get into it. So yeah. Okay, so I forgot to show y'all. So I did obviously buy the purse from Walmart. The reason why I bought this purse because I got these shoes from Target. See, size 11. Come on, $32.99. I thought it was a good steal. And I need some more like nude items because I don't really have enough. So I don't know, I feel like these go well together for the perfect outfit. I also changed my key ring and I'm gonna throw this one away. I got this from Amazon, but it obviously, the print, like, it's still a good ring, it's just the print came out. Maybe I could spray paint this. I might do that, I don't know. But yeah, so now I'm actually about to go to Dollar General real quick. It's like 8:15 because at Walmart I forgot to buy some paper plates, and I'm gonna just get some snacks and wind down, watch some TV, some movies, because Mother Nature done kicked in. I just want me some snacks and take a long shower, get into bed, Netflix and chill. So yeah, we finna go to Dollar General, and yeah. Tostitos.